How to enable casting in YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now, we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Now slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called casting. Here on the right hand side, simply tap on it in order to enable it. So this feature has been enabled. Now if you go back, here on the top there's this casting option. Now you can easily connect other TV or devices in order to cast or connect to the device. Later you can watch all the YouTube Kids video on the device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.